All right, this is the AsiaHorse. I believe it's called a Perseus case in white. I chose this because it sits out on my desktop here. You can kind of see the rest of the computer over there. So I wanted something that looks good, or relatively good. So I went with this. Let me open it up and show you the insides. Alright, so that's a Thermaltake water block. I drilled a bunch of holes, like in a big oval around the outside edge, opened it up with a Dremel tool, and then put a LED light strip in there with the lights pointing out. So that's not stock having lights in it like that. The cooling fans are all by Thermaltake. The coolant pump is like a 6-year-old pump that I salvaged off my still because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on building this thing. I reused my video card. This contraption here is a custom little build. It's so I could put a CD-ROM drive in the bottom down there and a removable hard drive up above here. Also takes an SSD card above that. In the back side of the case, you can kind of see the power supply there. In the back side where the power supply is, you can put old style platter hard drives. I have 1 2 terabyte back there. These more modern motherboards have what I call M2 drives. They're like SSD card slots. There's 2 on this thing. I'm using one with a 2 terabyte drive in that. That little gizmo there. Trying to see if you can see the prism effect in there. You can't really see the video. That's just a 180-degree adapter that allows you to kind of hides the main motherboard cable. Looks good. So this is built for looks and for being quiet. So listen to it. The clicking of the hard drive is the loudest thing on this thing. So anyways, it's nice and quiet. Looks pretty decently good. So I'm happy with it. And there you go, the AsiaHorse.